Ano si Aisel? Irregular na?
With pay na ba ito?
Bayad na ba?
Regular model, ah.
Oo, regular mo. Tsaka ang ganda-ganda natin ng Sabado, ano?
Magaling yung makeup artist natin. Mga kaibigan niyo ni Paolo, ano?
Oo.
Bakit mo nasabi?
Kilala niya eh.
Ay,
Ba't naman ganyan yung lakad nyo?
Lasengo walk.
Kumusta? Ang saya mo yata.
Ay, syempre naman po, Lola. Ang taas po kasi nung grade na binigay sa akin ni Ma'am. Tingnan niyo po. Uno yan, oh.
Ano tinaas niya? Uno.
Uno.
Napakahina naman itong apo natin. Ang
Lola,
grade
tingnan niyo
uno.
Lola,
ano
yun
ka
po
ba?
yun.
Yan yung pinakamataas.
Eh di matalino pala ako nung araw.
Bakit? Ano ba mga grades mo noon?
0.
Mas mataas sa uno yon.
Oh, di ba?
Kasi mas nauna yun sa uno.
Siyempre, di mas matalino. Okay.
May kulang lang.
Ano
Nakapang-summer
po, Lola?
tayo. Kulang ng beach.
Lola naman eh.
Kulang ng dagat. No.
Gusto mo mag-outing, ha?
Gusto mo magkalibo, ah?
Gusto mo lumayo, ha?
Gusto mo magburaka,
Ay, balitaan mo kami pag nag-outing kayo, ha?
Gusto mo lumayo, ba't di ka maglayas?
Sendan mo kami mga picture, ha?
Natake ako ng ayuman.
Marami malapit na beach dito sa Maynila.
Tulad
Wala
ng
tayong-
all day long. I'm addicted like.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
Do what, do what, eat that, eat that, eat that.
Do what, do that, eat that, do that, eat that.
Do what, do what, eat that, eat that, eat that.
Do that, do what, eat that. Do what, do that, eat that, eat that, eat that. Do what, do that, eat that, eat that, eat that.
Do what, do what, eat that, eat that.
Murder that, dance slow, dance slow. Murder that.
Are you saving that dessert for me? 'Cause if you are, baby, you know you can work for me. The way you do it comes from jealousy, but you don't ever gotta worry about the enemy. They try to do it like you, and they get mad 'cause they don't do it successfully. They try to copy your moves, but they don't ever ever do it that tastefully. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. 'Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I want it all day long. Say, what you gonna do?
With that dessert.
Thank you so much, Dabber Cats. How you doing?
Yeah.
Mga Dabber Cats, please welcome Darwin! Ito na. Mas bida na. Lola, there.
Dawit! What's up,
What's
my
up,
man?
What's up, Lola? How you doing?
Welcome to the Philippines. Okay.
Thank you for having me. Are you ready for the showdown?
No problem. I'm ready always.
How's
are you?
life? Hey, Darren.
Darwin. Hindi
Hey,
Darwin.
Darwin, come on, baby.
Are you saving that dessert for me?
Yeah, I have a dessert a lot for you, man.
Oh, is it your first time here?
No, this is my second time here.
Oh, so how do you find the Filipino people? Did you find it?
Oh, yeah. They're very kind. It feels like home to me. Everyone's so kind and polite. I really appreciate the beautiful people here.
Thank
you so much.
Beautiful daw
Yeah,
tayo.
yeah, we're so beautiful, Darwin.
Very beautiful.
I have to ask you some question, Darwin.
Yes.
What is the nationality? The word is picha, 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 picha. What is the nationality? Is that?
Chipmunk. I think that's the best I can do. Chipmunk. Do what, eat that.
Do what, do what, eat that.
Oh, who's that?
He likes to do it with you. This is Baby Baste.
Oh, I've been dying to meet you.
Baste.
Do it kayo.
Music maestro.
Alright.
Want it all day long. Music they like to song. I want it all day long. Music they like. Masagot, different than dessert.
Hey, Darwin, where's the backup?
Do what, eat that, eat that, eat that. Do what, eat that, do that, eat that. Do what, eat that, do that, eat that. Murder that, dance slow, dance slow. Make, murder that, make, murder that, make, murder that, make,
you. And they get mad cause they don't do it successfully. They try to copy your moves, but they don't ever ever do it that tastefully. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long. Let me see what you got, Lola. I'm addicted like it's wrong. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like it's wrong.
1, 2. Hey!
This looks so tasty. I think the sweetest thing here is the mango.
Yeah.
So here you go.
Yes.
I would love to try the mango. Just get one. Philippine mango. Let's see what it's like.
Isaw-saw mo sa bagoong.
You guys cut this up for me.
Tinikman nyo ba? Baka hindi matamis, ha?
Baka sabit yan, ha?
How do you find it? Amazing.
How's it?
Amazing. Best mango I've had. Very sweet.
Amazing is English for maasim. Maasim.
Yes. Manggang kalburo.
Amazing. Maasim.
Darwin, platinum in the Philippines. Wow. Presented by Universal Music Philippines to Darwin in recognition of the outstanding digital sales performance for the single dessert. Wow. Selling more than 15,000 adjusted units given this March 2016 Manila, Philippines. Thank you guys so much. Congratulations. It wouldn't be possible without all of you. Thank you so much for allowing this to happen, and it means a lot. This is home for me.
Yeah. Congratulations, Darwin.
Thank you. Dessert is really a big hit here. You know? Thanks to you guys. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Eh, sana po sa birthday ko,
Inaabot pa ng truck yun. Pati si Darwin naka-freeze.
Pambihira.
Love you, Darwin!
Ay, nako. Wala, naka-press eh.
And you know what, Darwin?
Darwin Gingging. Darwin.
Oko, you know what, Lawin?
Darwin.
It's Darwin.
Darwin, you know what, Darwin? Here in Calisere, the people is very, very hospitable. Lola always in PGH. This one in Medical City.
Hospital naman
Dito
yan.
lang yan sa Calisere. Ito po si Ate Gingging para sa Kali Tibot.
Kasawa ni...
Bobot.
Okay, maraming salamat sa mga Dabarkats natin dyan sa Barangay Dalapas, Pasig City. Uy!
At eto na, alamin na natin ang panalo sa Just Do It. Dabarkats!
Daddy, happy birthday!